Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on portable hotspot in your Motorola Moto G15. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Motorola Moto G15 and you are wondering how to turn on portable hotspot. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Moto G15 settings section. After click over there, you need to click here network and internet. After click over network and internet, you will find there something say hotspot and threading. After click over hotspot and threading, if you decide to turn on Wi-Fi hotspot, you can simply just turn on this. Also, you might be looking for what is your Wi-Fi name and password. So for that, you need to click over on it, and then it's going to appear. This is your Wi-Fi hotspot. If you decide to change the hotspot name, you can easily do whatever name you want, and you can make it here okay. And then if you decide to change hotspot password, you can easily type here whatever password you would like. Then you can make it here okay. So now my friends and family, they can connect from my phone internet and they can use. Now if you decide to turn off Wi-Fi hotspot, you can go again here in this settings section, click here network and internet, hotspot and threading, and if you decide to turn off, you can simply turn this off. Also, there's another quick shortcut way to turn on or off Wi-Fi hotspot in your Moto G15. So in order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to swipe down just like this and then swipe left to right, and then you will find in here in this quick access area this hotspot. So if you touch over there, immediately your phone going to be turned on Wi-Fi hotspot. We can see in this status bar there is a Wi-Fi hotspot. That means I had turned on successfully Wi-Fi hotspot. If you decide to turn off, you can go again over there and you can simply click over there and it's going to be turn off. So within this simple way, you can easily turn on or off a Motorola Moto G15 Wi-Fi hotspot. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.